So these are some of the apps that you shouldn't miss out for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Starting off with the number one app, and this is Gboard. No doubt Samsung has made their keyboard a lot better, but still Gboard has some really great features that are not available with Samsung keyboard. For example, this voice to text feature is really handy with Gboard. To install Gboard, search it on Google Play Store. Once installed, you have to enable this keyboard. For that, go to Settings, scroll down and choose General. Tap on Input and now choose Keyboard List and Default Keyboard. Here you have to choose Gboard as your default keyboard, and that's it. Try Gboard's voice to text feature, that's really amazing. Next app on the list is Samsung Internet. By default we don't have any web browser on Galaxy Watch, but with this app you can browse the web on this little screen easily. This app is available on Google Play Store, its link is down in description. Here we have few bookmarks like YouTube, Google and weather. You can use bezel of your watch to scroll across a web page, and to go back, just swipe to the right. So try it out, this is an amazing and fast web browser. Next I have a great note-taking app, and this is Google Keep. It syncs all notes on your phone with your watch. Either you can create a note or you can make a list. Plus you can use bezel of your watch to scroll across a note. This app also has a tile that you can use for quick access. The best thing about Google Keep is that you can access all your notes almost everywhere, even on a web browser. The app that I have now is a must if you just bought your Galaxy Watch 6, and this is the Thermocheck app. This app was recently announced by Samsung last month. You can check temperature of living and non-living objects. Just take off the watch from your wrist and follow on-screen instructions. The accuracy of this app isn't the best out there, but I am glad finally this temperature sensor is put to some use on Galaxy Watch. Moving on to the next app, this is a cool speedometer app that has a minimal interface. This is GPS Speedometer from Google Play Store. Just open this app on your Galaxy Watch and check speed of your car, bike or anything else. You can change units by tapping here. Next I have a weather app, and this is from Google. The interface of this app is super clean and it works without any lag. It shows hourly forecast, daily forecast, sunset and sunrise time too. But my favorite thing with this app are the tiles that are minimal and they work really well too. For example, this tile shows time left in sunset, and if you tap on it, it shows more information. Moving on to the next app, and this is called Dice. The animations and overall detail with this app are great. Just move your wrist like this to roll a dice. You can tap on display to bring another dice to the table. This is a really handy app for tabletop games. Next I have a cool shopping list application that has a simple interface called as Bring. When you open the app, you will see the option of add item. So let's just add an item from this list, like this. After getting my required item, I can tap here to complete my list. And now you can see that it has turned green. So try it out. Last app on the list is Google Home. This app recently got a redesign at Google I/O. Here we have a list of all devices connected to my account. You can turn on or off these devices from here. And you can even change color temperature by long pressing on it. Obviously if your light has that feature. So these were some apps that you shouldn't miss out on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. And that was all about for today's episode. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.